Folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. Now, this obviously is the FMS RAFALE 80mm, but this is a maiden of sorts in that my wonderful camera crew is back with me again, and this will be the first time she's filmed this RAFALE. So it's a camera maiden, if you want to say that. So I did fly this actually yesterday, and but my GoPro though. So, and I haven't put that video out yet. Right, left, up, down, right, left. Canards only work with the elevator. They do not work with the ailerons, and that's the way I like it. I have bypassed the circuit board or the programming board with, I got rid of that crow situation because that's what caused my crash when on the first RAFALE. And so I'm just strictly ailerons, full span ailerons, full span elevator, okay? But the control board still controls the sequence of the doors and all that. So, all right, we're gonna get turned around here. Oh yeah, and I got a K&N afterburner in there. K&N Models afterburner. Actually, yeah, she handles really well on the pavement, or actually on our Geotech. I'm gonna stand in front of the camera here. I'm gonna get right past y'all. Okay, get turned around here. All right, crosswind runway, crosswind. All right, let me get back so you can see her. All right, timer set for 3.5 minutes. Take her up.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Bring her right by. That's a beautiful bird. Had to turn them gains down a little bit. She's oscillating a little bit too much for me.
Gear down.
Make sure the gear's down. Come by, make sure my gear is down. And it is. I kill my airspeed a little bit.
Time remaining 2 minutes. Braking.
Oh yeah, she's got braking now. Nothing in the manual about it. But she's got reverse thrust. All right.
Brakes off.
Here we go again.
Gear up. Gear down.
All right, bring her in. Don't like it?
1 minute.
Take her out the clubhouse.
Braking.
Oh,
Brake brakes.
See, that's for whatever reason, landing from that direction is always so much faster. All right, we're gonna go up one more time. All right, here we go.
30 seconds. Gear up. 20 seconds. Gear down.
All right.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Braking. Brakes off.
All right. That crosswind on the runway is really playing with me today, but that's okay. That's okay. All right, we were 3 seconds, just 3 seconds shy of 3.5 minutes. Prop secured. See what kind of, oh, I put it in my pocket. See what kind of life is in the tank. Got to undo that wonderful afterburner. Battery is warm. It's a 4300 4S roaring top, just so you know. 25%. So 3.5 minutes is perfect. Honestly, the Rafale, you pretty much got to keep her full speed most of the time. When you take off, you're firewalled until you get up on step. And but other than that, once she's up on step, boy, she's locked in and flies great. So anyways, there you go, folks. That is the FMS Rafale 80mm. Just want to show off that gear one more time. That thing, this gear is just absolutely phenomenal. Them doors. All right, folks, thank you so much for watching. This is the FMS Rafale, and originally Hobby Zone had sent me out my first Rafale for review, just like this one, and took a dirt nap with it down here on the other side of the runway there, ripped the undercarriage, everything out of it, and the damage was so great that it didn't look as that bad on camera. But it's funny because I smacked it, she was airborne, I flew around twice and then came in with a landing and everything was falling out. But the gears and the doors and the servos got ripped up and everything, and by the time I priced everything, I was for replacement parts, because I got to keep it, you know, show ready, and it's going to be more than half the cost of a new one. So Hobby Zone couldn't help me with a new one because they just didn't have enough inventory, or otherwise they would, and I just went out and got my own. So I got a bunch of extra parts, and with this one goes bad. All right, folks, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all, and don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and Rafales.